So what are you doing, Soren?
Fishing.
Are you catching anything?
What are you going to do if you catch a fish?
We're back in the water.
Why?
Because.
Because?
What does Bruce say?
Fish are our friends.
Not food, right?
Can you see your bobber out there?
Yeah.
It's way out there.
I like that. I like all of them.
All of them what?
You want to try?
All of the gummy bears.
Okay, well you finish your gummy bears and then we'll try reeling in and check your worm, okay? Okay.
You're eating gummy bears.
Well, we're going to have to start reeling in because we're going the other way. Can you help me? Put the tackle box down. Okay, now turn the reel, turn the crank. Yep. Go slow. Turn it in, roll it in. Here we go. Let's check our worm. Caught a fish.
You know what you're supposed to say?
What?
Say, here, fishy, 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 fishy.
Here, fishy, fishy.
Keep reeling in. Let's check and see. I can't see our bobber. There you go.
It's in the sun.
Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Over there. What's the fishy song?
Fishy, fishy in the lake, come and bite upon my bait. Fishy, fishy, sure would be great if you would bite my bait.
Are you reeling it in?
Yes, we have to check our worm.
You're doing a really good job, Soren. Have you been fishing before?
No, I didn't.
How did you get to be so good at it?
Here's your bobber. Let's check our worm. Look more. Keep reeling. Keep reeling faster than going under the boat. Faster. Faster. Uh-oh.
What? What?
Caught on the front.